YouTube channel Madhukar News and Laws. Today's topic is yoga. I'll be presenting a few photos and description about yoga. Yoga is a Sanskrit term meaning to join, unite, or yoke together, and the essential purpose of yoga is to bring together body, mind, spirit into a harmonious whole. The central methods of yoga are physical postures or asanas and the movement, breathing techniques or pranayama, and meditation. Yoga includes guidance on healthy lifestyle, eating habits, mental attitude, and Ayurvedic medicines is also part of the yogic path to help and balance. Hatha yoga is the path of physical yoga, which is the most popular branch of yoga in the West. HA means sun and THA moon. So, Hatha yoga is the joining or yoking together of these different energies in harmonious equilibrium, positive and negative, active and receptive. So, in this photo, you can see Vrikshasana, that means tree, standing like a tree. This is Dandhasana, staff, in a sitting position. The yoga view of human body. The body in yoga is the vehicle for the development of wisdom, of spiritual awakening, and as such, the body is held to be sacred, and mastery of our body is considered the foundation for spiritual progress. In yoga, we learn a discipline of the body which comes out of awareness and attentiveness, turning into our body's subtle energy flows and the life giving rhythm of our breathing. The idea is that through entering more deeply and subtly into our physical experience, we can become more connected with ourselves, more grounded, and less swayed by anxieties or neurotic cravings for things that will not truly satisfy us. This can be very positive influence on our approach to life, offering an antidote to the alienated rushing and disconnection from ourselves that characterizes much of our modern world. This is Virabhadrasana. The origins of yoga originated in the ancient East. Yoga has gained massive popularity in the modern Western world. Its image has evolved from those photos we may have seen of the extraordinary practice of unbelievably flexible cotton clad ascetics in India or the 70s hobby of hippie types. Yoga has become part of the chosen lifestyle of thousands of Westerners seeking some real balance, health, and well being in their lives. This is Uttita Parsva Konasana, side angle pose. Experiences of yoga can be close to nature, out of doors, or on bumpy ground in large tents with slightly sleepy carpets on summer retreats or at festivals. However, it is also common now to see the wonderfully tranquil and well equipped yoga studios in the towns and cities too. This is Virabhadrasana, warrior. Yoga teachers seem to be possibly even hipper than DJs these days, making their own tracks of bicycle, scooter, or nippy mini through city streets from one class to another, taking life at their own chosen pace, holidaying in stunning places, teaching the much appreciated techniques and principles of yoga to grateful and enthusiastic city dwellers. There are yoga magazines, gorgeous yoga holidays, and rainbow of great yoga kit you can buy. But when it comes down to it, all you really need to benefit from the ancient wisdom of yoga is your own body, mind, and spirit, some self discipline, and decent teachers to get you started. Ustrasana, camel. Who can practice yoga? Everyone can do yoga. There is always a suitable way for an individual to practice yoga, whether they are old or young, injured, fit or unfit, supple or inflexible, male or female. You just need to find the right teachers for you. Different types of yoga. There are many of different types of yoga, and Iyengar, Ashtanga, and Shadow Yoga are three of the most well known and widely practiced traditional forms. This is Setubandha Sarvangasana, bridge. All the different types of yoga usually includes a basics of postures common to all, but they vary in the style of movement, pace, and the kinds of approach. It is good idea to start with well established style like Iyengar yoga to get a sense of the basics of yoga so that you can find and build a foundation of experience from which to explore the many possibilities out there. However, you can feel particularly drawn to a certain forms. Try a beginner's level class and see how you like it. Ekapadra Rajakoposana. Pigeon. It is helpful to have a sense of what you want to get out of learning yoga to start with, and then you can check out whether you can feel what you are learning is helping you with that. For example, one person might want yoga that helps release stress, tension, and another might want to work with symptoms like backache or stiff shoulders. Another might wish for a dynamic workout type class. Anjaneyasana, low lung. The first type of yoga is called Iyengar yoga. B.K.S. Iyengar's well-known school of yoga teaching is renowned for precision, and attention to detail. His care of corrected alignment in learning yoga postures led him to encourage the use of yoga props so that the aspiring Iyengar yogi could get themselves into the best possible pose while minimizing risk and injury. Iyengar teachers go through a religious 2 to 5 years training program to qualify, which makes them a confidence inspiring choice to begin to learn with. Many yoga teachers developing new styles such as shadow yoga have a strong foundation in the Iyengar tradition and have developed different approaches from there. Shalabhasana, locust. Another yoga is Ashtanga. Ashtanga yoga has gained popularity in recent years, not for the armchair yogi. In Ashtanga yoga, the practitioner rides on the breath from one pose to another, jumping through a series of poses in a rhythmic flow. Physically demanding, Ashtanga builds strength, flexibility, and stamina. The connection between movement and breath can be both cleansing and invigorating. Shadow yoga. Janu Shirsasana, head to knee. Shadow yoga is based upon the ancient Hatha yoga texts and the view that fixed forms should be designed to develop the practice of freestyle. Shadow yoga works to achieve an unobstructed flow of breath in the practitioner through a combination of positions and rhythmical movements to a more Tai Chi pace than the faster Ashtanga yoga form. The benefits of yoga. There are many benefits to the ancient practice of yoga, both physical and mental, from better posture to greater self acceptance. Here are the main physical and mental benefits of yoga. Let us go to the next photo. Is Gomukhasana, it is cow face. Physical benefits of yoga: improved postures, better sleep, increased natural energy level and vitality. Let us go to the next photo. Ekapada Galavasana prep, standing hip opener prep. Greater, again we're coming back to the physical benefits of yoga: greater flexibility, strength and stamina, better balance, strong immune system, pulse and respiratory rate decreases, blood pressure decreases, efficiency increases, respiratory efficiency increases, cholesterol decreases, cleansing and regulating of all body systems. Anjaneyasana variation, low lung quad stretch. Now we shall discuss about mental benefits of yoga. Mental benefits of yoga. Calm and clarity. This is the first point of mental benefits of yoga. I will go to the next photo. Utthita Trikonasana, extended triangle pose. Coming back to mental benefits of yoga, greater confidence and generally more positive mood, sense of inner well-being and centeredness, increased awareness of body and movement. Go to the next photo. Bhujangasana, cobra. The mental benefits of yoga: counters depression and anxiety, ability to concentrate improves, more self-acceptance, increased social skills. I will go through again the physical benefits of yoga. This photo is Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward facing dog. To go back to the physical benefits of yoga again: improved posture, better sleep, increasing natural benefit level and vitality, greater flexibility, strength and stamina, better balance. Next photo is Ardha Matsyendrasana, Lord of the Fishes pose. Physical benefits of yoga: better balance, stronger immune system, pulse and respiratory rate decreases, blood pressure decreases. Next photo is Bharadvajasana, Sage Bharadvaja's pose. Physical benefits of yoga: respiratory efficiency increases, cholesterol decreases, cleansing and regulating of all the body's systems. Next photo, Parsvottanasana, Parsvottanasana, intense side stretch pose. Again with the mental benefits of yoga: calm and clarity, better confidence and generally more positive mood, sense of inner well-being and centeredness, increased awareness of body movement. Navasana, boat. Mental benefits of yoga: counters depression and anxiety, ability to concentrate improves, Chamatkarasana, wild thing. So mental benefits of yoga: ability to concentrate improves, more self-acceptance, increased social skills. This is the last photo, Bakasana, crow. So friends, this is the video of yoga. Hope it was useful to all of you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Madhukar News and Laws. Thank you very much.